Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shamli. Hope you all are doing well. So recently I have done my hands-on on Glam Girls and Kiku eyeshadows. Actually I was really looking for some purple shades, so I thought it's better to go for individual shades instead of palette. When I know what color I want, at least in that case I go for that. So I was scrolling my Nykaa and I found really some pretty cool beautiful purple shades. So let me show you. So this one is from Glam Girls and its shade is ME17. Just see how beautiful this is looking, and let's check its pigmentation. So yeah, it's highly pigmented, so it's looking so beautiful and so soft. While checking it's looking so soft, let's try how it goes with eyes. It's smooth only, or it gives powdery texture. So another one is from Kiko and these shades are 20 and 21 its code. So let me show you. First 21, it's lighter than 20. So this one is another purple one. Again it's matching from my dress slightly. Yeah, this one is perfectly matching and that one is slightly dark, but both are beautiful. It's not opening. Yeah, so let's check its color. Again we'll check its pigmentation. Yeah, it's pigmented and it has some shiny texture. It's just not matte like this Glam Girls was one in matte. Yeah, this Glam Girls was in matte shade and this Kiko one is in shiny shade. So it's also giving some shiny texture. It's not visible. It's quite light color, so it's how to show. Yeah, just see, this was the first one, this is the second one, Kiko, and another one I have this 24th shade. This is little darker, and let's check its pigmentation. So 1, 2 and 3. Yeah, first one, second one, third one. ME17. This one is 21. This one is 20, I guess. Yes. So yeah, it's giving me quite smooth feeling while checking or rubbing. But let's see how it goes with eyes. It's giving quite smooth texture or powdery texture. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm already done with my rest of the makeup and only left is eye makeup. So let's start. So firstly I'm starting with this Glam Girls shades to cover my eyelid. It's quite nice to see the difference. Next one, blending part, I am doing with this 21 shade. The difference slightly it's looking nice, you see, giving some quite अंधेरा होता है तो हम लाइट ऑन कर देते हैं, तो कैसा बल्ब रोशनी रोशनी सा, वैसा कुछ स्पार्कली, नॉट स्पार्कली, ग्लोइंग टेक्सचर दे रहा है. Okay, so now I'll go with darker one. I have more darker than this, but now I'll try this. This is our test. And test mein no cheating. Can you guys see this? Okay, I'll do like this. Okay, so it's not done, like I'm not done with my eye makeup, but yeah, I'm done with the trial of these three, and it's giving quite, fluffy, like जैसा I said कि जब हम लाइट बंद कर देते हैं और छोटे छोटे लाइट्स ऑन करते हैं तो कितना लाइक जगमग जगमग लुक देता है. तो आई एम फीलिंग सेम एंड इट्स गिविंग क्वाइट स्मूथ फीलिंग एंड while wearing this I'm feeling comfortable. Like कुछ शेड्स होते हैं ना जो बहुत ही पाउडरी टेक्सचर देते हैं, तो उनको कैरी करने के बाद लगता है कि इचिंग हो रही है या फिर सम इरिटेशन काइंड ऑफ थिंग. सो दिस इज नॉट गिविंग क्वाइट दैट फीलिंग. Also since it has some shiny texture, so we don't need to use some sparkle colors. It's enough I guess, and yeah, it's looking so beautiful. So I can finish my eye makeup here also, but since I need to get ready for another dress, so in last I'll show you how my final look is. So I'm gonna use some blue color shades also and will show you final look. Hey, so I'm finally done with my eye makeup, so you can see the final look. I have used 4 colors. Purple I already showed you. After that I have used blue, light blue, some sky blue, that and yellow one. Just see this. So I done this eye makeup for a top, so I'll show you my final look. But before that, lipstick is okay. I'll give in description box shade. I'm not able to see here. It's a pink color. It's looking quite dark. Should I use light color? Yeah, so finally done with that, and now it's time to change our costume. Hey, so I'm done with my final look. Let's see how it's looking. Hope you like it because I'm loving it, and I hope this video will be helpful for your reviews, for your customer satisfaction. So yes, that was about today's video. If you really like my video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, share this video, and we'll meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Thanks for watching.